Hello friends, today I will discuss the definitions of illumination, lux, foot candle, candle power, MHCP, MSCP, MHSCP, specific energy consumption, glare, space to height ratio, contrast ratio. Before we discuss these definitions, let me consider these diagrams. So this is the screen to be illuminated. This is the light source which has the luminous intensity equal to 1 candle power, and the distance between the lamp and the screen is 1 meter, and this screen is exactly 90 degrees to the source of light. Similarly, there is a light source whose luminous intensity is 1 cp and which is situated 1 foot away from the screen. Again, the screen is perpendicular to the rays of the light source, and this is the sphere. Part of the sphere is like this is the area of the sphere that is taken, and this area is making an angle here such that it makes one solid angle, that is steradian. Similarly, this is the light falling on the surface. This is the reflecting light. Suppose we have the surface is mirror, then the incident angle makes some angle with the perpendicular line onto the mirror like this. So whatever angle is made by the incident angle, the reflection ray also will make the same angle with the perpendicular line to the surface of mirror. Similarly, there is another situation where the light rays are coming like this. Each light ray will reflect some angle like this. Similarly, there is another pattern called diffusion reflection, that is light comes like this, so some light will make reflection like this, some will reflect like this, some will reflect like this. So there is no definite pattern of reflection. So based on this diagrams, we have several definitions in the illumination. So first definition is, what is lux? So lux means it is nothing but the dimension of the illumination. If the light source has the luminous intensity of 1 cp and situated 1 meter away from the surface, which is normal to the rays of the light, then the illumination received by the surface is called the lux. That is 1 lux. Next, foot candle. So it is also a unit of the illumination. Here also, let us say we have the light source which has the luminous intensity equal to 1 cp, and this light is situated 1 foot away from the surface to be illuminated, and see that the surface is perpendicular to the rays of the light. Then the illumination received by the surface is called the 1 foot candle. Next, candle power. Candle power means it is nothing but it is the flux received by a solid angle is called the candle power. Next, candle. It is also a unit of luminous intensity. It is nothing but 1/60th of the luminous intensity per square centimeter of the black body. Next, mean horizontal candle power. This is represented by MHCP. It is defined as the mean of the candle powers in all directions in the horizontal plane containing the source of light. Next, mean spherical candle power. This is represented by MSCP. It is nothing but the mean of candle powers in all directions and in all planes from the source of light. That is, MSCP is equal to total flux in lumens divided by the solid angle of sphere, that is 4 pi. Next, mean hemispherical candle power. This is represented as MHSCP. It is nothing but the mean of candle powers in all directions above or below the horizontal plane passing through the source of light. So this we can write mathematically like this: MHSCP is equal to total flux in a hemisphere divided by 2 pi. Next, specific consumption. So this is also called the specific energy consumption. It is nothing but the ratio of electrical power input and the luminous intensity. Next, coming to the term glare, it is nothing but a discomfort imposed by the high brightness light interference with the vision of eye. Next, space to height ratio. It is nothing but the horizontal distance between the adjacent lamps and the mounting height of lamps above working plane. So its normal value will be between 1 and 2. Next, contrast ratio. It is nothing but the ratio of local lighting and the general lighting.